Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a highly realistic wood texture entirely within Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are designing backgrounds for a web project or creating custom assets for your graphic design work, this technique is professional, quick, and repeatable. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more design tips. Let us jump right into Photoshop. First, you need to create a new canvas. Go to the top menu, select File, and then click New. You can choose any dimensions you prefer, but for this exercise, I recommend a square size of 1000 by 1000 pixels at 72 pixels per inch. Click the Create button once you are ready. Now that we have our blank canvas, we need to establish our base color. Select the Paint Bucket tool from your left-hand toolbar by pressing the G key on your keyboard. Pick a mid-tone brown color. A hex code like 8B5A2B is a great starting point for a natural wood tone. Click once anywhere on your canvas to fill the background. Next, we will use the FibersFilter to generate the base grain. Go up to the Filter menu, navigate to Render, and select Fibers. A window will pop up with two main sliders, Variance and Strength. Adjust the Variance slider to control the randomness of the knots and the Strength slider to intensify the grain. I recommend clicking the Randomize button several times until you see a pattern that resembles the organic chaos of real wood grain. Click OK to apply. To turn these fibers into smooth planks, we will add motion. Go to the Filter menu again, select Blur, and choose Motion Blur. Set the angle to 0 degrees to ensure the grain runs horizontally. Then, adjust the distance slider until you are satisfied with the stretch. A value between 50 and 100 pixels usually does the trick. Now the texture is starting to look like timber. To make the grain pop, we need to increase the contrast. Go to Image in the menu bar, select Adjustments, and click on Levels. Move the sliders in the histogram toward the center to darken the shadows and brighten the highlights, creating that sharp, deep look characteristic of wood. Finally, for an extra professional touch, you can add some color variation. Head back to Image, select Adjustments, and then Hue and Saturation. Move the Hue slider slightly left or right to shift the tone, or adjust the saturation to make it look more vibrantly like mahogany or cedar. And there you have it, a perfect wood texture created from scratch. If this video helped you improve your design workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and stay creative.